Hello guys, my name is Shoot. I'm making this video because recently my most recent video hit like 13,000 views, which is the most I had so far, which is kind of crazy. And like took what, 2 weeks, and my most videos like took 7 years to get that many views. Judging from all those views, you guys like these Doom videos. Well, that one's like 30 seconds, this one's like I don't know how long. This photo here, found it randomly on the internet. I will look for the source though, post it, and give credit to. Now, the Doom suit I've been working on just so I could go to GameStop with it, but then, you know, GameStop closed due to Corona, so then I made that last video. But I wasn't able to finish the costume. It was only like the upper half. Paint job, kind of half done. I'm going to redo it later on. I just want to see what kind of looks like. Pieces still need to get done, so this is not the final product. It's going to look a lot better. I will have a shotgun, of course. And yeah, I'm wearing pajama pants because pajamas comfortable, and I've yet to do the legs. But I will get this done by Fanmate if it's not closed due to Corona. Fuck you, Corona. The beer. I mean, not the beer, the disease. Don't drink and drive.